Side effects of bad routine: lack of energy. Poor eating habits, insufficient sleep, and lack of exercise can lead to a lack of energy, making it difficult for individuals to focus and be productive. Poor physical health. A bad routine can lead to physical health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Mood swings. Erratic routines, lack of sleep, and poor eating habits can lead to mood swings and affect people's mental health. Decreased productivity. Bad habits, such as procrastination, can decrease productivity, affect quality of work, and make it challenging to meet deadlines. Increased stress. Constantly feeling rushed and stressed due to an overloaded schedule can prevent individuals from coping with stress, which can negatively affect their well-being. Lowered immunity. Lack of sleep, inadequate nutrition, and a sedentary lifestyle can reduce the body's ability to fight off infection, which can lead to more frequent illnesses. Addiction. A bad routine may involve unhealthy habits such as drug or alcohol abuse, leading to addiction.